For me, as an example, it helped reverse heart failure.
This is the first time that we are actually going in public and talking about it in Kenya. I don't know if you've heard about it before or if people are actually talking about it, but from what the research I've done, I haven't seen anything.
Peptides are biologic, identical molecules.
Yeah, so that's what it is, right? There's over 3,000, if I'm not mistaken, peptides that are already made in your body.
Exactly, yeah. These are essential daily parts of our body.
Right.
As you age, they get depleted.
Correct.
We're looking at all the other factors, diet, GMO foods, environmental stresses, what we call endocrine disrupting chemicals.
I mean, I couldn't even move my knee before. I'd wake up in the morning, I look like a 90-year-old trying to get out of bed, like staggering to the bathroom. And I have none of that anymore. So my hair, thanks to perimenopause, for the last, let's say, 3 years, had not grown. I had very limp hair. I'm not saying that I have the thickest, most luscious hair right now, but every time I go to the hairdresser or I go home, my mom, the first thing she says is that your hair has really changed. So I've noticed a massive change to the texture. I've seen new hair growth. And more so, I feel like my skin has completely changed.
Peptides are the next big thing.
Give me your top 3 peptides that you think work the best.
And
tell me why.
In fact, they're the 3 that I'm now stacking on right now.
Okay.
Reta,